Hello dreamers! Today we're back with a sequel for my portraits. So I painted this portrait of myself in a separate video, and so I showed it to my 9-year-old daughter and she said, "Mommy, can you paint me too?" And of course she wanted me to paint her as a unicorn. So here it is. Look, all the golden horns and the rainbows. So today I'm going to show you how I painted my daughter's portrait, the unicorn portrait, in this video. So let's start.
First, wet the entire painting front and back. Then my recording mysteriously stopped while I was focusing on the first layer of skin tone. I'm learning to improve the recording of my painting process, and this video is particularly glitchy. But still stay, it will get better. Let's pick up from the rainbow. The unicorn face of raising a girl is mind-boggling. And to expand on the theme, I see little girls losing their self-control over any animal depiction with a horn smacked on their head. They're kitty corns, narwhal corns, sloth corns. You get the point. The dreamy world of pastel rainbow and make-believe animal pets must be $1 million industry, while the parents across the world roll their eyes. And I'm not going down the rabbit hole that's the world of Minecraft and Roblox with even more puzzling primitive block graphics in this video. I will rant about that topic in another video because my son has asked to be painted as a ninja, and that video is coming up. As a reminder, if you're enjoying this video, please hit or smack or click the like button. This will help more people to see this video and help small channels like mine to grow. Back to the girly stuff. When I was growing up, self-indulgence and self-expression was problematic. There is a solemn warning in the Chinese expression to never lose one's mind by playing with things. Nothing should distract a kid from their primary daily purpose, that is learning and academic performance. Thus, we wore school uniforms and we followed strict academic schedules, yet we found ways to indulge in small things. We girls went nuts over eraser that glitters or pen with inks that smell like fruit candy. We treated them under our school desk like contrabands and hid them from the grown-ups like a class of sworn-in spy operatives. My daughter likes to hear these childhood stories when I tell them over dinner or on a walk. To her disbelief, I grew up without my whole class celebrating my birthday during school hours or participating in a school spirit dress-up. During school hours, there was never a whole week during school hours dedicated to me so that I can update the world with my current favorite colors, animals, books, and wishes. She could not comprehend a time and a place where everybody's unifying cry to the world is, "Tell me what I need to be so the world will accept me." While she is unapologetically good at self-expression, I am working on being less invisible, blend in, and forgettable. For her portrait, I honored her wish to be rainbowish and lighthearted. She currently wears braces and is easily embarrassed when asked to smile. When we were taking reference photo for this portrait, she will smile with her lips pressed together. I reminded her if I can paint her with pony ears and magical horns, I can also take care of the braces. I like how relaxed her smile looked without the braces. Initially, I wanted to experiment with her hair color. Reina, my daughter, has black hair. She mentioned nonchalantly once that when she's old enough to color her hair, she wants to wear blue hair. At the moment, my upbringing triggered some anxiety, and immediately I imagined a problematic Gothic style teen with facial piercings everywhere. It's okay, my mind do that a lot, and I learned to not acknowledge them as much. So as I was doing my artistic brainstorming, I decided she would have blue hair in a way that she probably see herself in her own dreamy mind. I had to darken the value of the blue a few times, but she looked amazing in blue and green hairs. I think I am going to get her clip-on extensions in those colors pretty soon. I paint often and update with videos like this on a regular basis. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel and hit the bell to get notified each time when I upload a new video. My least confident element about this piece are the flowers. They did not come out light and feathery as I wanted them to. They kind of look dull and tense. I think I need to improve my flower techniques in the future. Let me know any tips or advice on that front in the comments. This is how my daughter's portrait has turned out to be, with a splash here, splash there, voila. And now, click on another video of mine to watch other things that I painted.